here today at the Weston Park Media Day for the Historic Rally Festival. We're on the famous Weston Park stage with the water splash. We're doing 6 runs, 3 in either direction, so 3 starting at the house and finishing just after the water splash, and then 3 starting just after the water splash and going through that and then around the stage and back to the house. So let's hope we have some fun.
With Russell in the S4 Astra.
No, that was Andrew Wood and Mike Nicholson.
Ah, right.
Andrew, and that was
that the year before?
That the 4S was participating in an event in the UK, and it was because it was not a homologation; it was a national rally, so we didn't have to have homologation. And I actually was the chase car with Brian, actually the chief engineer. It is narrow. It's not, even on the gravelly bits where you've got all these cars, look at the different wheelbases, the different sizes, so you get grooves, and down that straight you used to. So, you know, a little car like an Astra, you're sitting on top, whereas at a bigger car with a Cosy or something like that, you're just sitting in the grooves, And then this grass is really slippery. You get, you know, we used to do it all, don't forget, on gravel tyres.
Yes.
So
you have to do it on gravel tyres.
Exactly.
There was a slick over there.
Yeah, exactly.
And when you here, after 10 cars, all the grass was on the road.
Yeah, but even on gravel tyres on that grass, you'd go a long way if you go off. So it's one to be neat and tidy. You're not going to win the RAC rally being fastest on this stage, and I don't think I ever was.
unfortunately today we've picked up a rear wheel puncture. First time I've ever had a puncture with the car, so we are not running the last runs and the car's back in the trailer, but thought you'd enjoy a nice bit of Audi Quattro action on their last run.